Hi everyone. Okay, so you might want to consider making some potatoes while you're moving around. Basically, these are russet potatoes, and oh, they're so good. I love potatoes. Oops, love potatoes. Chop, peel them. This is a medium to large cuts. Basically, I think I have a couple videos you can look and show you how I cut these potatoes. And I'm stirring them because I don't want them to scorch. And they're pretty much done. See, they started to scorch a little. But that's okay, because they're still good. So basically what I added was, after I added a little bit of oil into my pan. Okay, a little bit of oil into my hot skillet. I cut up the potatoes, put them in there, added a little bit of sea salt, then some pepper. Make great potatoes. Some pepper, and that's it. Salt and pepper, onions, and bell peppers. And I didn't put too many onions because I just didn't want, I want more of the potato flavor, and I love bell peppers, so, okay, you know, and then if you want to add some, see how that's already, it's already done. So, trying to make great burritos. You can make burritos out of these potatoes, which is probably what I'll be doing. Getting some tortillas, or making my own tortillas. Make my own tortillas, and then, yeah, you can refrigerate them, and then you can just have them, microwave them, and yum. Or you can make a potato soup. All right, have a good one.